Now let's talk about the two process models that what we have. There are two process models. First one is a defined process model. It's also sometimes known as predictive process model. Defined process model or predictive model essentially ensures that every piece of feature that what we have to develop for our customer is known to us upfront, and they are analyzed, designed, coded and tested all together in one single go. The other process model what we have is empirical process model, which inherently came from lean thinking and a lean process model. Empirical process model essentially has three key ingredients in that: transparency, inspection and adaptation. So through frequent inspection and adaptation, we evolve our product requirements, we evolve our planning, we evolve also our outcome, that is what is expected, in an iterative and incremental manner, essentially added to it.